Hello, this is Michael John. Today I'll be doing a review on this flashlight that I got on eBay. I actually got this for $4.59, 55 cents, almost $5. And as you can see right here, it comes with a little green case that's not right here right now, and the charger. And this is all the description that I get. Portable rechargeable Zoom light flashlight outdoors. So it doesn't have a lot of information on here to tell you like what the lumen count is or whatever. So I was like, hey, let's buy it. Why not? So let's just talk about the body for a minute. It has a lot of fins and a lot of like knurlings in different places. Like right here, there's knurling, and right here, you could pull it out to get a little bit of a zoom, I guess. It's pretty short compared to a lot of other flashlights. It's only less than 4 inches long, 3.5 inches long, which is pretty small. It's got I guess you could use this for in a tactical way, like cracking a glass window or something like that. On the side, you have a one-sided clip with screws on it, so you could actually take this clip off if you want. Over here, probably is a spot for a lanyard, I guess. And yeah, the bulb inside has like I guess the glass on top of the bulb has like a dome shape. If we were to compare it to like an 18350 flashlight, it's around the same size, so that's pretty cool. It's around the same size as an 18350 flashlight. This is the FC11 with the 18350 battery, so it's nice and compact. The finish is pretty rough. It's very sharp in a lot of different places, so keep that in mind. Obviously, it's not going to be as polished as a workhorse flashlight. Okay, and let's the clip is nice and strong. Let's check out the bottom over here. I'm not sure what this hole is for. Maybe it was for a lanyard, but there's no hole anywhere, so there's nowhere to really put the lanyard. You got a micro charging port, and here is the battery, the flashlight's on and off button. It's actually a pretty nice switch, although like it's in a weird place. It's hard to press. I guess not that hard to press. It protrudes a little bit, so that's nice. It does have a COB light on the side, which is really nice. It does have three different modes, and here are the modes. The first one is on, and it's just on however much it's on. And of course you could zoom it, like you see over here. It's zoomable, so that's pretty cool. You have that option to zoom it out and zoom it in. And then if you press it again, it'll turn on to turbo mode. It'll turn on to strobe mode. So you have strobe mode over here. Then you click again, and the COB light turns on. Now this COB light is very strong, very powerful, very similar to the ones that you see on those. There are those flashlights that have like just this little square little flashlight, very similar to that one. And when you charge it, the light will actually turn on. So let's put it into the charger. This light will turn red, and I believe it just turns off when it's finished charging. It has an internal rechargeable battery. Don't know how many milliamp hours. Doesn't say anywhere, so don't know. And for $5, I definitely recommend it. Although I think it's worth just paying extra money and getting something that's legit, that you could take the battery out of, that has reverse charging, that uses Type-C, that has a reversible, you could take this and turn it around. It has a magnetic tail cap. But if you only want to spend $5, this can be a very good option. And I don't have a lot of information about it, so I can't give a lot of information about it, lumen count and stuff like that. But I do. And you can use it while it's charging, which is nice. I do like sometimes the fact that it is zoomable. It's good for very specific situations. But yeah, other than that, it's a cool flashlight for $5. Definitely worth it. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope this helped you. I don't know if you could find this on eBay very easily, but I did buy it on eBay. And have a great day.